Sugar man, 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 sugar man.
Yo, what's going on, man? Another day in the life with your boy Sugar Man on that. It's a bike life day for me today. KX500, as y'all see right here on the bike. I haven't rode her in about 2 months. Last time I went to Macon, Georgia with my boys and them. But when I did ride it, y'all know I got busy. Yeah, real litty in the city. Big shout out to Macon, Georgia. Y'all know exactly how I'm coming, shorty. So it's been sitting up because y'all know I had hurt my shoulder, which I still got to go to the doctor. I think I'm going to have some surgery did on my shoulder. I haven't went, but I know I'm going to end up getting ready to go. But we're going to still ride today. I set it up since the last time I rode it, just trying to let my shoulder heal in. Just been busy, so we're going to change the oil in it before we actually ride today. And I know that oil black because I ran this bike really hard the last time that I rode it. So we finna get down on the kneecap right now and get ready to change the oil in the casing. And we're gonna look at this oil and see how black it is before we actually get ready to start riding. Yes, sir. So let's get down here. It's bigger than 15. That's probably like 18. Okay. Let's see what we're gonna do. 3/4. Oh, left to loosen. Left to loosen, right to tight. That's loosen. Let's see what we got there. Come on, man. Left to loosen. Up on there. Make sure we break it right. Okay, make sure we gotta do the rest by hand now. Okay, left to loosen, right to tight. Alright, let's get this oil up out of here. Uh-oh. Get out of here. Look at me. Bro, I'll be doing some stupid stuff. Yeah, that oil dark, bro. I know I beat it though. Like, the last time I rode it, I really rode it. That was the first time I really broke it in down there in Macon, Georgia. With my boy Low them. But it's all good though. That's what it's made for. And shout out to EJR Technologies in Belvedere, Illinois. They the one built this bike, put it together, and rebuilt it with new piston and stuff and frame. Jug. And that was the first time I actually rode the bike. So it been held up. So just changing the oil on it for the first time. And all that old oil out of the bike. Gonna put new oil in, man. You keep your oil changed, the cylinders and all your motor and stuff to be better. So we're gonna mess with this oil. Look how dark this oil is. I don't see no shavings in the motor. No shavings, so that's a good sign. All right, cool. Let's pull this oil out. No shavings. No shavings, y'all. So, even though we rolled the KX, we actually did good. No shavings in the motor. We're gonna put this oil plug back in the bike. And after we put this oil plug back in, we're gonna fill him up with oil. We're gonna get back to the regular scheduled programming. Light and tight so you don't scrape the screw. And we're going for the socket. Left to loosen, right to tight. Oh, wrong way. left to loosen, right to tighten. And you don't want to strip it, so you want to snug it. And I got the washers on too. Okay, that's cool. Was that tight? Now we gotta make sure it's tight though, because that King 500 got a lot of compression. Compression, that bitch be jumpy, vibrate. Come on now. Transmission oil, SA80W, the gear saver. They told me to use this at the, oh my God, $15 for this.
Damn.
So they told me to put 800 in there. Oh, I'm trying to put that in there right now. All right, look. I made my own personal funnel. Now we're going in here 800.
I'll tell you if it's weak.
So that means it's only gonna be 1 milligram left, which is the 4. So we should pour it in until we get to the 4. Oh my gosh, bro.
Bro.
I messed up, bro.
Just go get him a napkin. Ask my mom to find one. It should be. You put 800. It's not. Oh, it should be 100. Yeah. It's a little more than a 900.
That's good, too. All right, look. Now we got the oil change on the bike. You pour it in a can to make sure with no shavings coming out the bike. Cause like I told you, the last time I rode the bike, I really beat it. So yeah, we changed the oil now. We got the oil back fresh. We got this. Where my cap at today?
Right here on the bike.
Let's see. We got this gear saver transmission oil. It's not as thick as the other stuff, but the 80W weight. They say that's good. So yeah, we're gonna rock with that for right now. So let's check this antifreeze out real quick. Make sure we ain't low on antifreeze or water. Lean it upward. Yeah, we see antifreeze right there. So we ain't running hot. We don't got no leaks on the antifreeze. Cause if we was, then it'd have been a ran out or it'd be real low. So boom, antifreeze good, oil change. Now we slick good now. Tire, let me check the tire compression. Tire compression good. Let me see on this back tire. Okay, back tire good. Shock good. Front shock good. Chain good, greased up. Well, I just did my check on my bike. Antifreeze check, oil check. Well, antifreeze chain, no, oil change, antifreeze check. I checked the chain, it's tight, it's lubed, tires got good air, brakes working. Oh, that's why I failed the last time on my shoulder. I actually gotta, when I start the bike up and I ride, I'm gonna check the brakes. Other than the front brake, everything else good. Now, 2-stroke people that's riding 2 strokes, y'all make sure y'all do this. Y'all at the crib, when y'all get y'all bike, check y'all bike up. When y'all got that oil in your bike, when y'all got y'all oil in your bike, the oil sometimes separates from the gas. So, just shake y'all bike up so the oil, yeah, can do this and that. You know what I'm talking about? Just, you know, sometimes the oil separates from the gas. But yeah, that's all. Just do that. Let's check my oil, see what kind of oil we got on the gas. We a little low on the gas. So I'm about to mix up a 4 real quick, probably 3 gallons of that yank. I'm gonna put that in, and then we're going on a riding trip, y'all. All right, so look, y'all, we finna do a cold start real quick. Hey, yo, real quick, man, shout out to Texas. Everybody I met from Texas at the car show yesterday. Shout out Whips Fest. Shout out your boy Carlos from Whips Fest and everybody that showed me love and all my supporters and subscribers, man. Shout out to all of y'all. If you is subscribing to my channel right now, hit the comments, drop the emoji, man. Let me know you rocking with me. if you haven't already, to my channel and you watching, hit subscribe so when I drop a video, you won't have to look for it to automatically be there when you log into YouTube. Other than that, man, shout out Texas Bike Life. Shout out all Bike Life. City, state to state, man. Y'all tag me in them rides and them DMs, man. It's getting frisky out here, you heard me? But I'm gonna do a cold start on this nickel thing, you heard me? I ain't had this joker started in 2 months. I just checked everything on it. City, man. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. Put my helmet right here real quick. Get some of that fuel down in the carburetor on that joint. Know we got a big boy motor, you heard me? You recording, my boy?
Yeah.
Know we got a big boy motor, so we're gonna choke these down in the carburetor. Make sure that oil shook up nice and neat, like I like to do it. This is important, people. Got them 2-strokes and be letting them sit up, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Cold start, baby. Make sure y'all kick down. Get that cylinder wet. Get some down in that cylinder. There we go. We should be ready now. Come on. Let's do it. Smoking good, that's always great. I run 32 to 1, but I put a little extra in it just because, bro. Like I said, I know I broke this journey in the last time, but I'm gonna run it a little rich. That's probably a 0.5 over, 32 to 1. I'm probably at 32 to 1.5 a gallon. Yeah, I put an extra 0.5 in and let that just smoke a little bit. I'm gonna let y'all check the bike out a little bit before I get ready to ride on the cold start side. This the Zaza land. I'm with CJ in that Lambo. God damn it, man. Speaking on my name like I won't pull up in the Sodom. And put the paws on them, beat the dog shit about them. I named the Chevy T-Rex inside Jurassic Park. 5 bows of OG on the paint, I had to